Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where I've just acquired this lovely 2015 Jaguar 2.2 diesel R Sport in fantastic condition. It does come with that plate, but it is a 2015, finishing absolutely gleaming metallic grey, as you can see. Rear privacy glass, wheels are in superb condition in graphite grey as well. It's got the rear park distance control, reverse camera, it's lovely. The rear spoiler, it's got the full R Sport body styling kit. Boot area is in superb condition. Half leather Alcantara trim, Meridian Hi-Fi, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got a host of extras, this car, so I've just started up. All the warning lights go on and off. Let's get the mileage up. It's done 102,976 miles. We've got power shift on the gearbox, automatic headlights, cruise control, full iDrive system, satellite navigation, phone for Bluetooth, navigation, climate control, reverse camera, heated seats, lovely cool climate control. Got an aux and a USB, locking wheel nut. Love the way that goes up and down like that. Your air vents go up and down as well, all work. Absolutely beautiful car. At DJH, with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.